Leaves of the trees turn yellow and red. When I go outside, I get this falling. It's peaceful and I want to take a photo. Finally, autumn has a beautiful year and I can meet my friends and my teacher. And in the autumn has a big autumn festival. I think autumn is the best season in Vietnam because it has a cool weather, beautiful nature, and fun festival. What about you? What's your favorite season? Thank you. And do you have any question for me?
Hello, my question is, what do you usually do in autumn?